Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing about 7th class mathematics revision assignment 23rd. So here first one, selling price SP equal to selling price. So selling price equal to market price bracket 100 minus discount by 100 into percentage. So coming to second one, simple interest. Simple interest is nothing but asset. So simple interest is nothing but PTR by 100, where P stands for principal, T stands for time, R stands for rate of interest by 100. Coming to third one, amount equal to principal plus simple interest. Amount equal to principal plus simple interest. So loss, fourth one is loss. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. CP minus SP is nothing but loss. Profit percentage. Profit percentage is nothing but profit by cost price into 100. Profit by cost price into 100. So sixth one, find the simple interest. Find the simple interest for 2000 invested at 2.5% for 3 years. So the solution, find the simple interest. Find the simple interest. So SA equal to PTR by 100. So simple interest equal to PTR by 100. So interest for 2000 invested at 2.5% for 3 years. So here given P equal to 2000. Okay. So time equal to 3 years. R equal to 2.5. So rate of interest equal to 2.5. So simple interest equal to P for value 2000 into time 3 or 2.5 by 100. So these zeros cancel. Okay. So SA equal to 20 into 3 into 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. So here 0, 0 cancel. So SI equal to 50. 2 into 25, 50. 50 into 3 which is equal to 150. So the simple interest is 150. Now seventh one. So seventh one is Rakesh took a loan of 1200 rupees with simple interest for as many years as the rate of interest. As the rate of interest, if for paid 432, if for paid 432 rupees as interest, at to end of the loan period, end of the loan period, what was the rate of interest? What was the rate of interest? So Rakesh took a loan of 1,200 rupees with simple interest for as many years. Has the rate of interest, if paid 432, has interest at to end of the loan period, what was the rate of interest? So now solution. So here given principal. So P equal to 1,200 rupees. P equal to 1,200 rupees. So we don't know the time. So I'm taking time is equal to x. So we don't know the rate of interest also. So R equal to x%. So now SI equal to PTR by 100. SI equal to PTR by 100. So here simple interest amount was given 432. So 432 equal to P value 1,200. 1,200 into T value x. R value also x by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Okay. Now see. 432 equal to 12 into x square. Okay, x into x square. So this 12 bring to left side, it is divisible. 432 by 12 is equal to x square. 12 ones are 12, 36. So x square equal to 36. So x equal to 6%. So the rate of interest is 6 and the time also 6. Now, eighth one. So, what is the eighth one? If the interest on 1,700 for 2 years is 340, then the rate of interest must be. So, here principal given 1,700 rupees. Principal given. So, interest also given 340 rupees. Interest also given 340 rupees. Time given 2 years. Time given 2 years. So we should know rate of interest. So we should find the rate of interest. Now the formula is I equal to P into T into R by 100. So we know the value of I. I is nothing but interest, simple interest. So that is 340. So we know the value of principal 700 into T. We know 2 years. So we don't know the R. So keep it R only by 100. So 2 zeros cancel. So 340 equal to 17 into 2 into R. So 340 is equal to 17 to 34. 34 into R. So here 34 is multiplying with R. If you bring to LHS, that is divisible. So 340 by 34, which is equal to R. So the 34 ones are 34 tens are. So the rate of interest is 10%. So therefore R is 10%. Now ninth one. So what is ninth one? If you invested on 200 rupees in an account that paid simple interest of 4%, find the maturity value after 1.5 years. Find the maturity level value after 1.5 years. See, here we should find the amount. So amount equal to principal plus simple interest. Amount equal to principal plus simple interest. So here given principal 200. So what is the SI simple interest? PTR by 100. PTR by 100. So 200 plus P value 200 into time is given 4. So the rate. So here 1.5 now. The 1.5 can be treated as 3 by 2 by 100. So 2 zeros cancel. So 200 plus here 2 cancel. 4 3 is 12. 200 plus 12, 212. So after maturity level, the value after 1.5 years is nothing but 212 rupees. Now last question, 10th one. So what is 10th one? If principal is 5,000, period A is 4 years and simple interest is 1,600, what is the rate of simple interest? So here principal is given 5,000. Principal given 5,000, period. So time is given 4 years. So simple interest is given 1,600. So we should find R, rate of interest we should want to find. So simple interest equal to PTR by 100. So what is the simple interest? 1,600. 1,600 equal to P value 5,000. 5,000 into T value 4. We should want to find R. So 2 zeros cancel. So 1,600 is equal to 50 into 4 into R. So here 0 cancel. Okay. So 160 equal to 5 4s 20. 20 into R. So here 0. So 16 equal to 2 into R. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So R equal to 8%. So the rate of interest of the simple interest is 8%. Revision assignment completed. Thank you.